Hello, my name's Helen Butcher, and today I'm going to be talking to you about a pattern called Square Dance, which is a pattern I invented for oakshott fabrics. And today I will be demonstrating it in the lovely range of new oakshott long shots, which are a striped fabric with a woven stripe. So I'm making sure carefully that I'm keeping all these pieces the right way up and the right way round, because otherwise it's going to get very, very complicated. And when the blocks are all square, you can sew them together. Now, I like to do this in two different ways. This one is completely random, so that you get different squares meeting different colours, or you could join them together like this in columns, so the centre squares seem to dance in the columns.